You'll also need the hood, and I've already gone ahead and painted this. I used Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another part of my Axial Capra build series. In this part of the series we'll tackle the body panels, and you'll need bag H for that, as well as the wheels, and you'll need bag I. And this will be the last part of the Axial Capra build series. For step H1 you'll need the following parts. You'll also need the hood, and I've already gone ahead and painted this. I used the Tamiya PS58 clear pearl, as well as Tamiya PS19 camo yellow, and Tamiya PS12 silver, and Tamiya PS5 black. So basically what I did was I masked off the parts that I needed to mask off. I painted the black part with PS5 black. Then I painted the rest of it with PS58 Pearl Clear first, then the PS19 Camel Yellow, and then the PS12 Silver, and then the PS5 Black. It's got like a nice metallic yellow finish. And I'll put a link to all those in the description below. And that completes step H1. For step H2, you'll need the following, and you'll also need the remaining body panels. And that completes step H2. Alright, I've got some decals on the truck. And we'll be moving on to step I pretty soon. But here's a look at the way the Capra looks with the panels on. Alright, so for step I, you'll need the 4 plastic beadlock wheels that comes with the kit. You'll see that I did a little bit of detailing already, just making the bolts look like they're metal. For step I, you'll basically need all the parts in this bag. There's going to be 32 M3x8 screws, 4 M4 nylon lock nuts. There's also these hubcaps and the wheel nuts or wheel hexes right there, and the wheel nuts. You also need tires and foams of your choice. In my case, I'm going with the Proline BFG crawlers in G8 compound. I will put a link to this in the description below. And I also will be using Proline dual stage foams with it, and I'll also put a link to these in the description below. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to stuff the foams into the tires. Alright, the foams are installed into the tires. Now we're ready to mount the wheels. Now, I actually have some aftermarket wheels that I want to mount up, namely these, but I will go ahead and mount the stock wheels first. Alright, so I've had a change of heart. I'm not gonna mount these stock wheels to my chosen tire and foam setup. The stock wheels that come with the Capra have a little bit larger diameter than most 1.9 wheels. I feel like this ring here would actually be better suited to a softer foam, and since I am using the Proline dual stage foam, the inside foam is actually a little bit stiff, and putting this beadlock ring inside is a pretty snug fit. So I kind of prefer to not stretch it out as much and just use these beadlock wheels I have right here, these 1.9s. You can see the difference in size between the two wheels. Right there. So what I'm actually going to do is probably save these wheels for another kit or another set of tires with different foams. If you want to use dual stage foams, you could probably use the Crawler Innovations Little Novas. Since the Crawler Innovations Little Nova foams are a little bit softer than the Pro lines, these wheels will probably work better with those. These beadlock wheels also fit nicely into the little groove in the Proline tire here. The Capra tires or wheels were actually larger in diameter, so you would have to stretch out the tire a little bit more. Alright, I've got all the tires mounted up to the wheels. Once again, I'm using Proline BFG crawlers in G8 compound with Proline dual stage foam. And these beadlock wheels. I'll put all the links to these items in the description below. And finally, for the rest of the build, you'll need these following pieces. That pretty much does it. This Axial Capra is build complete, and in just a moment we'll take a closer look at the finished truck. Alright, here's the final look at the completed Capra. Well, I hope you enjoyed this build series as much as I did. I can't wait to get this out on the rocks and crawling out there. So please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thanks for watching.